गुड मॉर्निंग भैया बहन। आज हम आपको एजुकेशन पोयम चैप्टर नंबर 13 पोयम का नाम है एजुकेशन और उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर को आज मैं बताऊंगी। उससे पहले देयर आर सम न्यू वर्ड्स, रिपीट आफ्टर मी। स्ट्राइफ, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट। अपनी बुक खोल लीजिए और देखिए न्यू वर्ड्स हैं, उसको मेरे साथ रिपीट करना है, उसको दोहराना है, सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन करना है। स्ट्राइफ, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, STRIFE, स्ट्राइफ, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, CONFLICT, सीजेस, CEASES, सीजेस यानी स्टॉप, सीज stops, increases, 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 makes greater, increases, makes greater, reason, 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 ability to think and decide, mention, 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 to speak of, mention, to speak of, mention, to speak of, mention, to speak of, distinguishes, DIS, disting, DIS, distinguishes, GUISHES, shows difference means अंतर करना, right, it distinguishes between right and wrong. Education, petals, PEAPETALS, petals, floral, leaf, फूल की पंखुड़ी होती है, petals कहलाती है। precious, PRECIOUS, valuable, 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 precious, valuable, ornament, 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 beautifying thing, ornament, आभूषण, हमारा गहना। dull, 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 boring, not interesting, कहते हैं ना आप, it is too boring, too dull। creation, 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 formation, deal with, cope with. Now here are some question answer. When does education help us? एजुकेशन हमारा कब हेल्प करता है? हम जो शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हैं कब हेल्प करता है? एजुकेशन हेल्प्स अस इन स्ट्राइव, Can anyone steal your knowledge? No one can steal our knowledge. Question number C. What can we increase with education? Question number 3. What can we increase with education? We can increase our knowledge with education. Question number D. What does education teach us? Education teaches us how to mention. Education teaches us how to mention. Question number E. How can we deal with tension? How can we deal with tension? Answer. We can deal with tension with education. We can deal with tension with education. We can deal with tension with education. What? Question number F. What can we distinguish with education? What can we distinguish with education? What can we distinguish with education? We can distinguish between right and wrong. We can distinguish between right and wrong with education. हम लोग एजुकेशन की सहायता से किस में डिफरेंस मालूम कर सकते हैं, डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं, कौन सा चीज़ राइट है, क्या राइट है और क्या रॉन्ग है. तो वी कैन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन राइट एंड रॉन्ग विथ एजुकेशन. वी कैन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन राइट एंड रॉन्ग विथ एजुकेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का ABCDEF हो गया. इसके बाद fill in the blanks. Education is very helpful for us. Fill in the blanks in strife. Education is very helpful for us in strife. We lead our life easily with it. We lead our life easily with it. No one can steal what we know. No one can steal what we know. Life is a journey and education is its station. Life is a journey and education is its station. Education makes the nation strong. Education makes the nation strong. Education makes the nation strong. Education opens the petals of our mind. It opens the petals of our mind. It opens the petals of our mind. It is a precious ornament. It is a precious ornament for us. It is a precious ornament for us. Question number 3. Tick the right statement and cross the wrong statements. A में all things can come and go. Yes, but not all things. Education not come and go. So A is wrong. Anyone can steal your knowledge. It is also false. Cross करें. Education is a mixture of knowledge and destruction. This is also wrong, because education is a mixture of knowledge and creation. D. Education makes our life enjoyable. Education makes our life enjoyable. Good, right? Tick दें. Educated people can deal with tension easily. Right? Uneducated mean can find difference between right and wrong. Wrong? False है, गलत है. Uneducated man cannot find difference between right and wrong. So F is wrong. G. Education lights up our life. Right. This is true. That's all. Will you do in your copy? Thank you.